today we have Mr. Akash with me. So Akash, first question I would like to ask you, like, what do you think how AI is changing the software industry nowadays?
First of all, thank you for having me over here. And if I answer the question, it's like I guess AI is impacting a lot into the software industries in terms of content searching. I am not talking about the content generation, but I'm personally feeling like content searching has been improved by the AI. Like nowadays, initially we need to search a content, we need to configure a lot of properties and a lot of things. But now it is like we can just provide a URL and it can give us a search result from the entire tenant or entire organization. So I guess that's the main impact of AI in the organization in the software industry.
Thank you so much, Akash, for that. Now, coming to the next question, like, what do you think? Like, will AI will replace the human jobs, or because it's a more debatable question? So, I would like to know your thoughts around that.
Actually, that's a very important question, and I'm facing this kind of question all around the world. Like if I'm opening the LinkedIn post, Twitter post, this question has been a very common thing. But my perspective is the job that will be get replaced is like repetitive job. That like for example the content writing, that can be replaced, but not up to great extent, but like up to a few extent. Only content writing job can be eliminated. Other than that, I don't think so. Like more jobs will be impacted because we still need a person to configure that AI software. We still need a developers to run that code, to write the code, to use the AI. So I guess like in near future, we cannot think like we will lose a job using by AI.
Thank you so much, Akash, for a wonderful insight around that. Because AI will not, because of AI, it will not completely replace the human. But on the other hand, it is creating lots of opportunity as well for the new people. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.
Thank